Hello, my name is Philip Carlo and I am from grade 7B. And this is a biology presentation about the double circulation. So let's start. William Harvey was the person who discovered the double circulation. So this is him. He published a book in 1623 about it called On the Motions of the Heart and Blood. So there's a book you can read about this presentation. This is a diagram of the circulation. So it consists of the lungs, liver, digestive system, and the heart. This is the diagram of the lungs. So there's the right side and left side of the heart. The lungs are part of the respiratory system, a group of organs and tissues that work together to help you breathe. So we need the lungs to live. If we don't have lungs, then we can't breathe and we die. Blood carries oxygen and other important nutrients that all body organs need to stay healthy and to work properly. Your heart is a muscle, and its job is to pump blood throughout your circulatory system. This is the diagram of the heart. So here's the heart, and we're going to talk about each part of the heart. The inferior vena cava carries blood from the legs, feet, and organs in the abdomen and pelvis. The vena cava is the largest vein in the body. So here's a picture of the inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava is a major vein in your upper body. It carries blood from your head, neck, upper chest, and arms to the heart. Superior vena cava syndrome (SVCS) happens when the superior vena cava is partially blocked or compressed. The right atrium is one of the four chambers of the heart. The right atrium receives blood low in oxygen from the body and then empties the blood into the right ventricle. So this is the right atrium. The left atrium is another one of the four chambers of the heart. Its primary roles are to act as a holding chamber for blood returning from the lungs and to act as a pump to transport blood to other areas of the heart. And this is the left atrium. The right ventricle is the most anterior of the four heart chambers. It receives deoxygenated blood from the right atrium and pumps it into the pulmonary circulation during diastole. Blood enters the right ventricle through the atrioventricular orifice through an open tricuspid valve. The left ventricle is the last one of the four chambers of the heart. It is located in the bottom left portion of the heart below the left atrium, separated by the mitral valve. As the heart contracts, blood eventually flows back into the left atrium, and then through the mitral valve, whereupon it next enters the left ventricle. The aorta is the main artery that carries blood away from the heart to the rest of your body. The blood leaves the heart through the aortic valve, then it travels to the aorta, making a cane-shaped curve that allows other major arteries to deliver oxygen-rich blood to the brain, muscles, and other cells. And here's the picture of an aorta. It looks like a cane. The pulmonary artery carries the oxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. The blood here passes through the capillaries adjacent to the alveoli and becomes oxygenated as part of the process of respiration. In contrast to the pulmonary arteries, bronchial arteries supply nutrition to the lungs themselves. The pulmonary veins are the veins that transfer oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. The largest pulmonary veins are the four main pulmonary veins, two from each lung that drain into the left atrium of the heart. The pulmonary veins are part of the pulmonary circulation. That's all. Thank you.